ब्रह्मादिदेवः पुरुषः पुराणः त्वमस्य विश्वस्य परं निधानम् वेत्तासि वेद्यं च परं च धाम त्वया ततं विश्वमनन्तरूप वायुर्यमोऽग्निर्वरुणः शशाङ्क प्रजापतिस्त्वं प्रपितामहश्च नमो नमस्ते सुसहस्रकृत्वा पुनश्च भूयोऽपि नमो नमस्ते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। Mr. Chairman of the Vishwa Hindu Mandir, South Hall, Srimati Rini ji, the organizer of the program, Ranjit Gogoi, and all the artists accompanying him, Ravi ji, the master of ceremonies today, and all the divine souls present here in form of ladies and gentlemen. India is a spiritual country. Of course, people have said that India stands united among diversities. But I tell you, it is not diversities. India has only one culture. You start from the Kashmir, go up to Rameshwaram, or you start from Gujarat and go up to Assam. It is the same culture. Of course, because of the climatic conditions, the environment, there has been a change in language. There has been a change of way of dressing. But if you see the inner, and if you look between the lines, India has the same culture, and that is spiritual culture. As far as Assam is concerned, Assam has a very unique culture, I tell you. It has got Varna Vyavastha, but it doesn't have untouchability. It doesn't have touchability. A Bardoloi, a Hazarika, a Gugoi, a Bar Kotoki and Kotoki, they can dance together, they can eat together, they can sit together. That is Assam. वर्ण व्यवस्था होते हुए भी उनके अंदर भेदभाव नहीं है, ये आसाम से पूरे भारत को सीखना चाहिए. That is the culture of Assam. हमारा पूरा भारत बिगड़ गया. हम पिताजी कहना छोड़ दिए और पापा कहने लगे, हमने माँ कहना छोड़ दिया और मम्मी कहने लगे. आज भी आसाम में पिता को देवता कहते हैं. They call him Devta. Yes, they don't call Papa, they don't call Mummy, they will call Devta. And Devta is what? Devata. आज भी देवता जो शब्द है पिता के लिए वो आसाम में ही कहा जाता है और भारत के किसी भी भाग में नहीं कहा जाता. A beautiful word for milk. It's gakhi. The word for milk is gakhi. Ga means go, and kheer is pure Sanskrit. Gau kheer. They call it gakhi. In Punjab, on 14th of April, we observe Lohri. And on the same date in Assam, we have Bihu. The name have changed. They call it Lohri, they call it Bihu. But again, it is the harvesting festival only. When I was giving the introduction of Bihu, I prompted from here, this is Valentine Day of Assam. On that day they can propose. Anyone can propose anybody. Of course, it depends on the lady whether she accepts or not. That's a different thing. But on this, and it is called Rongali Bihu. रंगाली बिहू, if we do it, जहां रंग बरसता हो, it's colorful because we have harvested good, and so people are very happy on that day. So this is Rangali Bihu, and we dance, and dance also, if you have minutely noticed, and if you see Bhangra, I think there is very little difference. Again, if you see Odissi of Orissa, or you see the Manipuri dance, it is the same. Because in Assam, the present culture exists because of two saints. One is Shankardev, and another is Madhavdev. Mahaprabhu, Shankardev, and Mahaprabhu, Madhavdev. These two have influenced the culture, or their influence of culture is seen. And they were of the medieval age. Bhakti Yug ke log the. And I tell you, I admire Shankardev. He has written Brijavali. Brijavali, the script is in Assam, but the language is Brij. असम में आज भी ब्रज भाषा ही है. क्यों? शंकरदेव ने स्क्रिप्ट तो असमीज की है. The script is Assamese script, but the language of Brij, and therefore the teachings of Shankardev are in Brijavali. The book is Brijavali. तो ब्रजावली में होने के कारण वहां के लोग आज भी ब्रज भाषा से उतने ही परिचित हैं जितने कि उत्तर प्रदेश में रहने वाले. और एक तरह से मैं बताऊं, उत्तर प्रदेश वाले परिचित हो या ना हो, किंतु असमीज कल्चर आज भी ब्रजावली से प्रभावित है. तो मैं इन आर्टिस्टों को आशीर्वाद देता हूं, और आप लोगों ने देखा और आप लोगों को अच्छा भी लगा. यही भारतीयता है. हम पूरे के पूरे भारत को एक बना के चलें, और जब भारत एक हो जाता है तो जो है हम भी एक हो जाएंगे, और पूरे विश्व में रहने वाले भारतीय भी एक हो जाएंगे, और पूरे विश्व में भारत का एक छवि हम प्रस्तुत कर पाएंगे. ओम शांति.